Hello guys, how are you? My name is Marisol, and today I'm going to sing a song in my guitar. I don't know if my English is good or bad, but I will try to speak it. Well, first of all, I would like to talk about hobbies. For me, hobbies are very important, because it helps you of your mind or relax your mind. And in my case, I love playing guitar, and I very enjoy to do this. Okay, I'm going to sing a song that I wrote when I was 16 years, but now I am 24. Okay, and the name of this song is I want to fly like a bird with you. It's about it's like to say, it is important to love another person with freedom. Okay, okay, let's listen it. This is our song, written by your girl, yeah, and she will always be there, taking care of your dreams and your beautiful night. I want to be your son in your bad stories. Ooh, 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 ooh. I want to be your angel. I want to be your ocean. I want to be your love forever. But I want to fly like a bird, like a bird. I want to fly like a bird, like bird with you. Okay, I hope you like it.